Mema Owi Akwaba Emma Gypsy News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Ramu. As also a Minister for Communication, and now the two no warrior meet the press a boom cania point. Now I hear in simple break. I don't know what could you as a person, which I say, and no, and you do so. Now, answer na me dey accept me baba. Let's just say we are subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. What they are say over click it. The subscribe button. Now what belly notification you know. Where the sa video for phobia be upload. Also sa can be. After we are now like a video, give us a thumbs up. No fee. What share ma of so na we na one share. Afi yanko sim. Slow so na no some ekusi or meet the press or can someone at a second echo off. Nano slow so could not wait when I got a year as a FM or my community program. So I watch say, you see, you know, and no need do so. And we are like top, but as a can echo off for 5 years. Then no need do so. Do so only 4 years. I am there soon and then they do so. Now when I hear KT, Kavitela, TSC so, and yet Kavitela to be a man only on my community now. I want to pass. Just say, what do you want to ask you? As I did, so just still I give you some your work. Like you see any day a year like top. Ukwe also na year John Dramani Mahama na pensu, which I said Kukani and Kofa now Wakesino. Now yes, someone you could see a Esla, Minister for Communication, you could see some of the two a year KT so reaction in tearing.
It gives you an idea about the kind of journalism across Ghana. S3. In fact, on a normal day, we are supposed to waste our time. But for 8 years, my catcher Ghana for say there are so many people sitting on radio and TV. Omo journalists though. Omo no eye kasa atro bribe ene de makoduro mo de monhwe ade monhwe comedy way. Monhwe journalist any politician. Na monhwe journalist no sibia obusa the questions. Na monhwe sibia hey, boys, we pa you waste your time on na na mutu fra boys we so a journalist just say more than video we. This is a journalist interviewing a member of parliament and a minister. Are you prepared? Do you study? Who read it? Do you have facts? And I say with radio so near for so you see radio do so and I just say okasa. My catch Ghana for sanko me a junk, me a junkies. Sanko voi omunim bibia about journalism. Ade we me hwe and me stress and I'm say, hey, this year den kwese me kwese Ghana ne monhwe ade. Mo de monhwe.
Dey ni da so na wo se obenya bibisa.
Ene dum so ye hometi.
Ni otwa you can talk about domsor today.
Ye hometi.
Me see you can talk about domsor today. Light off there wo ho da afebo nyina na ye wo. Light off. Domsor ni fie nan a ye da sumu a ene unya kanea ochina no edum kanea for 4 years. Eno ni domsor no. Where they light off. There are two different things.
Can you do?
They say a press conference 5 minutes. Can you do here? And buy. And yet why you made in so. I didn't near dírty or memu had the beer. It's nothing new. Near ne any in fear 9 4 years. Ayada is sumu or memuha. That is domsor. There's a world of difference between the two. Let's define the things properly and analyze them properly.
But
just here kind of trash.
Means I know more thing.
Me get you. Ebe.
That's like of me that's.
And the MPP abino ebe. Yes, sana.
Hey, why is your Jimmy? When no journalist though? Obani ti wenim abro aposo no wayusu no wabetena wenim na nufu eguo ene wa hepo no wabetena wenim abro aposo na sa abro wa we ti wenim ka kire wo se ai 4 years domsor abro wa fono se to gba ete wonim se ko 4 time na we had generational problems. You have the records. Now, I'm a poso way, the Sii Rɔf Rɔf abegina wonu kekan kwasi asem say ai we a light off. Now to us I na fono I said dan say, hey minister, nyame mo ayedin, mo de mo jimi papa. When the last now tell you we food said dan say and okuja to blakwa should calm down and you know your job. When now into when this na jimi abete. These are the people sitting on your radios. These are the people sitting on your radios. Now, into idea we shall own ferry. Idea we shall own ferry. My man say we light off. And a Mahama the end 4 years. You doom kania na wana phone to honorable nyome mwa ding. Oh, debi ameka chiramo. Sanko voe, shana phone de to. Hwene nim. Owu NDC for na weso nim nyansa. Omu nim hwe. Hwene Jimmy de to. Omanhene ko 50 years. You know. Inti sa wo no musimo kenkan. Mo na mo be magana for na maame brewa poso we to enim kekan kwasi asem. When did domsor start? Who said Mahama inherited domsor for 4 years? When did domsor start? And then he's telling she's telling you say she's a he when she meets another woman. But for now I'll call her she. She tells you say I weigh a light off. Oh, no questions muso oh honorable nyome mwa edin. Nanka Kwasiato waka just say I nyome mwa edin timuntuma Mahama we Jimmy hwana fono mo hwe no. Odi omudi nkwa omo petition we betra awurade.
Dey ni da so na wo se obenya bibisa.
Ene domsor ye homete.
Ni otwam. You can talk about domsor today.
Ye homete.
Me see you can talk about domsor today. Light off there wo ho da afebo nyina na e wo light off. Domsor ni fie nan a ye da sumu a ene unya kanea ochina no adum kanea for 4 years. Eno ni domsor no. We dey light off.
So kanea na different things. Can you do?
They say a press conference 5 minutes. Can you do me? And buy. And yet why you made any so? I didn't near dírty or memu had the beer. It's nothing new. Near who any in fear 9 4 years. Ayada is sumu or memuha. That is domsor. There's a world of difference between the two. Let's define the things properly and analyze them properly. Just here I can't trust. Me get to analyze them properly. Just here I can't trust.
Means I know more thing.
Me get to trust.
Means I know more thing.
Me get to
wait. Hey, you give you and you have go for the radio so. But I mean to no just say where you do so. Oh, minister, you more thing. Weina we mu na mo so me mbrante enkrate fo omo sua de e na mo so na pa na mo titi ngofo we oni fact bia o ohwenhwa jantra fo to abetena ho onim bibia e na abrewa poso we abrewa poso a watwi nanim makeup pancake abetena ho ekeka nkwasi asem honorable nyome mo eden we enko enim na we wudi omochi a I know people say, who is this lady speaking? The woman speaking. Her name is Ursula Owusu. The woman speaking. This is the same woman. Mama Cho. Obana no to wakasana bufruit ni to no. Obana to wakasa uni ono asu ni o. This is the same person. Intebia na wajini o say bi oba afofro ono a. We ono na net wakasa no. Intimen ka say bia oba afofro bi na ti baby and de na to wakasa no onu ankasa sa asu ni. Ain abroa poso but wait ajay no mu na hwe abroa poso and watwi make up na de na watwi and wabetra ho na nufu da na fuso and oto wabo odi duku asase wa yiri duku and oda hye dufu ase and wabo hip abroa poso na inti maame na ohwe na enye different person be maame we na ohwe maame fa nto na hwe
dey ni da so na wo se obenya bibisa
ene domsor ye homete
ni otwam. You can talk about domsor today.
Ye homete
me see you can talk about domsor today. Light off there wo ho da afebo nyina na e wo light off domsor ni fie nan a ye da sumu a ene unya kanea ochina no adum kanea for 4 years eno ni domsor no. We dey light off. Can you different things?
Can you do?
They say a press conference 5 minutes. Can you do me? And buy. And yet why you made any so? I didn't dírty or memu had the beer. It's nothing new. Near who any in fear 9 4 years. Ayada is sumu or memuha. That is domsor. There's a world of difference between the two. Let's define the things properly and analyze them properly. Just here I can't trust.
Means I know more thing.
Me get tu. Nanso be. Na wo so obenya bibisa.
Ene domsor ye home.
Ni o you can talk about domsor today.
Ye home.
Me see you can talk about domsor today. Light off there wo da afebo nyina na e wo light off. Domsor ni fie nan a ye da sumu a ene unya kanea ochina no edum kanea for 4 years eno ni domsor no. We dey light off.
There are two
different things. They say enemy press conference 5 minutes. Kanea ni dum ye. Ene bae. Ene ye to adwumadi ni so. Eyade ane ye dírty omemu ha da bia. It's nothing new. Ne na ehu ene infie nan a infie nan 4 years. Ayeda esumu e wo memu ha. That is domsor. There's a world of difference between the two. Let's define the things properly and analyze them properly. Just here kind of trash.
Means I know more a thing.
Me get tu. Nanso be.
As like of me that's it.
And the MPP.
Everything that this woman said was a lie. Every single thing okay a lie. But because journalists they Jimmy onye juma on kinkan onye shi omudi fufu na betanton say this woman came there ranting and ranting and ranting. When we say bibia owi on the Jimmy busa say honorable you memo edin. Hey. Yeah, the Jimmy o anopa we be so radio Akoti Omanhene. After you see where we are. And I keep telling people, we want people to know and these are the kind of journalists because they are being taken care of by these politicians. Into some papa radio so and and honorable Mombra into their life is about question now time I'm to be Aina John Mahama dum na so na wo kana ene and the light of where Jimmy. We were here and ECG and a grid co-catcher said what we are experiencing is domsor. We were here and a catcher said you people should give us a timetable. One more bow we have but now home the question behind where Jimmy no one or soroko. All because Omusha must say ngramine. They take care of you people like dogs. You have no self-respect, no dignity, no credibility. And you make these dirty, filthy politicians use you people. Opa akwawe ma NDC ni betra ho ni Jimmy boss and the true money na 250 na motio money na 250 ai na NDC anya ofu na betra radio say former president Mahama should tell us something different kwasia. You cannot ask this abrowa way to say honorable nyomemo ayedin. And yet Jimmy will say former president Mahama he should tell us something different. Ofui mutu wana Jimmy anya when na oto Emma okuta to ablakwa warning and then is much ado about nothing bro for time bi omokotia omoko pim tade fun bi sha obeja o Jimmy say honorable nyomemu ayedin aboa oje so odwene ho na ofui oje say asala oto no odwene ho kura bon no ye ka bibia kire amonte na mo enti last okay bi na girl ya no ho fuin sa aketia be ye interview ye president Kevin Taylor no ono ankoso anko ware ye de asantini ba ene bibini ze no unanso asete bosom mini abema na ya abrefo Jimmy semse na mo de titigana ho unanso setete bosom the to kwasiakeka and ye interview president Kofo. Now let's get serious in this country. All right. Now us last more to okrekano. Doom sono ne bro we are there and your light off. When the light goes off, it comes back. So it is domsor. Whether it's for longer period or short period, at the end of the day, it's distracting people's business. You have to doom light 6 hours continuous. From 12 o'clock to 6 p.m. Within that 12 o'clock to 6 p.m., you bet me I said doom light 18 times. Now to Jimmy, now I can just say, maybe they do me and a buyer. Let me tell you, you bet me doom light from 12 o'clock to 6 p.m. Do so. You bet me doom light between 12 to 6 p.m. 18 times, but the time you still cannot do anything with the lights. So it is not about the period; it is about the inconsistency. It is about the light not flowing. Now do Jimmy Tuoma abrowa poso way to say where a light off. Now our phone sa dagati for ebro gari abetena kan say honorable nyememu aye den ofui mo me enko enim I say we are light off na light off the tree I can say ejimi for am dírty radio so very very dirty people when na question Okujato black one when na question your Mahama no Mr. President it is not politics as usual come and tell us something different o draws mu nyina for and out something different ni me no ka say edun ko for light or Ghana ama brewa poso we abrewa we de me huna na me ni age me pene so ai poso
you waiting for waiting and some KT Kavitila and the two guy reacted to a slow so Ukupia way Asempa FM Omanhene Kwabena show so now watch I said you see and a light off 5 minutes and we need so the 4 years I don't like KT area some will go on our because GC so and our hand so we subscribe we are Mr. Say over subscribe and like it now I should video ama offer for so any now watch also betting actually what you have some way now and will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.